6-10 ba? Apat na bola.
Yes, mga excited at ready na tayo. Kaya naman mag-shake hands na muna tayo sa RTR and Hammerman. Let's show good sportsmanship.
Bola ang pagkain guys sa akin. Sa akin kay Haring Bangis.
Let's get the game competitive level of respect po sa isa't isa. I'm so excited for this game. Sana kayo rin po. Best of luck to both of you. Let's get the game started. And back to you, Mr. Carlin, Mr. Ashley.
Maraming salamat for the introductions. Tinanong po ang ating muling laban, Hammerman kontra RTR, our rematch of pairing na nakita na natin ng Motivated Billiard League Season 1. Naglaban itong dalawa, pinanalo si RTR. Even up the series between these two. This is our final match. Since it's our last game already, it will be race to 7
JB.
between Hammerman and RTR. Before we start with one, thank you for joining us. Our Motivated Billiard League Season 3. We thank our venue partner, the Mokuma Billiard Sports Bar and Lounge. We thank our sponsors, Mega HDR, on Bodega Sale, AK Moto Club, XCR, Realty Incorporated, MD Shoes and Apparel, JT's Filipino Cuisine, Emerzone Sports Lounge, CCE, Bulacan Saimada, Kenta Kogaku Food Truck, Best Cost Digital Marketing, Eastprint Clothing, Red Rock Collectibles, and JP Sports TV. No, Hammerman, RTR, skilled individuals, alam natin magiging malakas yung mga kalidad nitong mga kapatan.
That's right. I think I've seen them play before. Skilled players.
Naglaban na sila season 1. Couple more practice books before we start with this matchup. And now we're ready for this race to 7.
Diba, ito pinabalot ng tao. Lagyan mo ng tayo ulit. Yung tao na yun. Para makita. Kasi wala na tayo sticker dito sa
Wala.
Very proud of
Kagaya ng
that
ganun.
for will be the first to break.
dapat lahat nilagyan.
Kasi kanina daw, nagpapaswell lang tayo. Kanina yung break. The RDR winning the ladder. Siya ang unang sasarag dito sa ating laban.
Araw kayo. 1-0. Nakauna yung awit game lang.
Nakauna agad si Awit guys, 1-0. 1-0 tayo guys ha. Nakauna ng Awit Gamer.
Foul ball.
Ayan, para kay Hammerman. Buti na lang may 4 doon. Nakaharap mo din. Malapit na masyado yung elevated sa corner pocket.
5, 6, 18 number dito.
The side.
Motivated po yung nagpapator kami. Billiard League.
MBL. Ay, shoutout kay Boss Rendon Labador. Idol natin yan.
The corner pocket.
Race 11 lang.
Or by this side.
That depends on where he puts the ball.
Ano siya, review na. Railways.
Corner pocket. But if you can see pocket as a post. Back to the other side for the 4.
Oh, stop rider. Salamat sa pag-moderator. Ano, race 11 na po.
Extension.
Ano, 11 na.
Stretch for this one, which will make Q a little awkward. Shouldn't be too much of a problem.
No!
2-0. Lapang ng dalawa. Jigs na Awit Gamer.
Mga ganun.
Good opportunity.
Oh, bitaw na ganun.
The table.
Hindi.
Bigyan na ang Awit Gamer.
Going back down. Cube.
Sakit sa ulo. Ang sakit sa ulo ng partida. Ibang bola. Ang tibay mo Awit Gamer.
Corner pocket. Nakaharang you don't want to touch those. Medyo okay kasi.
Komplikado pag na kamaan ng dalawa.
Very clean shot na. Unfortunately,
Ayun, shoot.
pero pwede pa rin.
Shoot ang pato.
I have to be careful na hindi ka mafawa.
Panchawan. Panchawan, no?
At pinerso ko talaga yung mga pero tendency na
Mas money ka, no? Siya,
Take the equal out of the equation that
dapat walang laki. Hindi, ano din siya, hindi wala laki. Ayaw din pumayag siya, siyempre. Ay, ito na alam siya mga pwede manalo. So, 0 po score.
great shot.
of class mula kay RDR.
Nasa harap pa yung score. Nag-video, walo, nag-video.
Ito wala.
Yun. Walang.
Ah, pero naka-live. Okay. Dami na.
Uy, patay ka.
Wala na namin. Taas. Taas pa yun. Wala dito.
Sumayad yan naman. Talaga ito mga business.
Yeah.
Pag sumayad, pag sumayad, talaga hindi papasok.
Oo. Nakawit na nun. Mabigat din ba yung
Easy win here for rack number 1.
Last ball 4.
3-7 lang tayo dito.
First rack scored. May hammer back on kay RDR. Well, part of the game is knowing the table. Nakikita mo yung mga mitis, kung ano yung posible, ano yung mahirap. You get to adjust your gameplay all the way. Sakto mula sa gitna yun, si Hammerman.
Walang nahulog.
tulad na lang. Kita yan. Okay.
Guys, 3-0 guys. Basic lang na awit. 3-0 tayo guys, 3-0. Grabe yung partida, parang lumpo.
Battling the 1-4.
Grabe partida mo, boss. Awit game.
Parang si Gunting lang. Parang pilay.
Parang gunting.
Lamang si awit guys, 3-0 ang score. Race 11 lang yan.
Boss Alvin, maganda.
So there's a great chance of the Karoon 19th corner. One first and 19th corner. So this is an
4-5.
for the
6-18. 4-5-6. Limang bola.
but if you get too high,
Leave the one open now for RDR.
Bumaba na yung viewers natin na 3-0. Ayaw naman. Ba't na tinapan? Tinatawag po gano'n. Shit. Di palagay nga ako na eh. Pahingan. Lagay ko sa pagmulakot. Right. Sa bulsa. Bulsa. Pamalag-lag-lag yun. Grabe partida. 4, 5, 6, 8, 10. Limang bola ko.
Corner pocket. Same 4-3 now. Trying to get the handle to kasha pa siya sa side.
yeah, it's off the range.
Hindi naman gusto outsider. Hindi naman pinapasan. Diyan na naman. Pag JB dito.
Nakuha mo rin.
Send us the
4, 5, 6, 8 din. Mabigat na partida yung totoo.
knowledge.
Sobrang bigat. Marunong di siya awin.
Well, nila yung RDR.
Pasikat ang isang J Visual.
Push na. Laban po. Zero.
It was wide open, but they're still.
Ayun na, 4-0 tayo guys. 4-0
tayo, guys.
Pero po 4-0.
Nakuha niya
Pakabalitan ni Awit kanina, siya yung 4-0 ngayon. Si JB naman.
Enough angle para ipunta from the 7 to the 8. Up table enough to set it up.
Yes, kung 4-0 race 11. Kung na-perfect na yung mga
Shoot. Pumasok ang pato.
Instead, ang preparasyon kaysa punta mo siya tumikit pa sa
Nakatok yung iba talaga, they're more comfortable pag yung blockhead nasa table talaga eh. On the edges.
kung ways it you can back the shot to the opposite corner, pwede mong pinahakin.
Walang per game idol, wala.
Mas komportable. Kaya tinitira.
Lugi sa partida. Wala per game.
Get. Not for the shot.
Racing,
Ilalayo niya na lang muna.
but not good enough.
Pag ganyan Doc, you want it as straight as possible. Di ba? Halos magkatapat. This is a tough long shot, but makeable definitely for RDR scan.
Placing talaga. Hindi siya marunong.
Surprising miss. Now, these are the kind of shots that Tower likes, yun. Kung persadong pinapasok siya. He likes the fastballs coming in.
Sure stroke.
Parang kilala ko na siya.
Good shot.
Okay for the 9. And that's in.
Oh, stretch.
Nakisama yung cue ball kay Hammerman. Muntik na pero hindi nahulog. So it's 2-0 for him to start this match.
Deserving naman siya. Pinaghirapan niya yun. Pinaghirapan niya yung tira sa 8.
Pero nagpakaba ng konti yung cue. Now gunning for a 3-0 advantage dito sa ating race to 7.
Medyo mahaba pa yun.
Our final match of our Motivated Billiard League Season 3.
Mid-scratch.
Lost the cue ball.
At meron rin pumasok sa
Napaka-smooth.
socket niya.
RDR. Pinabasa ng path. How to run this table
Oh,
out.
sumable sa maybe.
Everything is spread out. Challenge
Like
for
some
the
way,
baby from the
James.
Yeah, this looks doable.
Medyo.
Ito yung preparasyon for the race.
Correct.
Good stuff.
Yung dumiretso.
Okay.
So it became difficult.
Kasi kailangan
And
niya
actually, for
Yeah.
me, he already hit a very good two shot. The first shot in Tiro niya, but it's still working.
Makaka-score ng James Wan.
Diardo just a bit lucky there.
4-1 tayo guys, 4-1. 4-1 tayo guys, nakiscore ng isang James Oksok. Ang partida, 4-6-8-10. Alam mga awit gamer guys ha, 4-1.
Pocket.
So kailangan umiwas sa 8 at saka sa 9 itong bola yung
Space.
Parang 7.
Up table 48. This is good billiards. Dr. J from Hammerman right now.
Yeah. Ganyan naman ang billiards. When you're given the opportunity, you really have to take advantage of the moment. Kita naman na wala. Swerte pa. I guess there's only advantage in this game.
4 tayo guys ha, 4-2. Hindi na tinira ni James
Isa lang ang bola doon pa nag-over.
First game agad.
Pero
4-2 tayo guys, 4-2. Kumahaba ng James Wan guys ha.
Bakit ang Ponteria?
good.
Yeah, absolutely.
Enough of distance to make it a difficult shot. Pero makeable lang.
So, the weird thing is this is a tougher shot than the one that Hammerman
Jeez.
actually missed. Pero
4-3 tayo guys, 4-3. 4-3 tayo guys, 4-3. Pumasok ang Gis. 4-3 guys ha, 4-3. Isa na lang agad naman ng awit game. Hindi pa paag ang isang James
So
Oksok.
what?
hinayang si Hammerman because he had that rack under complete control. Ngayon, may isahan siya, mapupuntusan ni RDR. 2-1.
Yan ang score natin guys at ang race ha.
RDR getting loose, getting more confident after every stroke. This could actually go down to the wire, Dr. J. And with the caliber of these two, kahit na magtapatan.
Walang pumasok.
With simple break pero dry break ang nangyari. So pagkakataon ni Hammer to medyo kumuha ng konting duelo rito. Fubo yung problema at the moment. She can make the one on the side.
That will launch up table ng Cube.
Ay, nasumaplay sa doon si Awit.
Talagang hinahabol niya rin yung 20 double intention.
It's a piece of the two, but is it pocketable?
No, not straight to the corner. Ako, danger because papunta pwede yan.
That is hard enough. Not worry about
Pumasok ang Gis. Grabe naman. Pasikat yun. James Wan. All 4 tayo guys. All 4. Grabe pasikat ni James Wan na yun. No? Sinaglit lang ang ano straight 4.
Nine ang hinahabol.
4 na sunod by James Wan. Ano?
Lalayo niya naman yung dos. Nakakatakam kasi daw eh. Nakakita mo yung way binanda na lang. Baits you into wanting to get it with the nerve.
Pumasok ang 2. Ayan guys, nasa score, kitang-kita. All 4, race 11.
Struggling with this football right now.
Tinutok na.
Shot para kay Hammerman. Basta yung isa.
Hindi na basta-basta sa JB Soal, may extension na.
Corner.
All 4. Uy, sumablay. Patay ka.
The fourth challenge.
Pupush yun ang white. Buti yung mga takil.
Pwede ng 3 na.
Ito rin, white rin.
Ayan ah. 5-4 guys. 5-4. 5-4 tayo guys. Lamang si Awi.
Two-way shot na to. Ayun! Sakto!
Hindi the right thing. Hindi niya pinersa. Slowly na pinapunta rin.
Good speed.
He read that combination very well. We say that in
Guys,
English, but all places.
5-4 lamang isang PWD. Lamang lang isa siya na ha. Awit Gamer.
One ang ating talaan. Parang mas nauna lang maging komportable sa main side si Hammerman. Still breaking from the middle. He has a look at the one.
Ikaw nga, Tobo.
Pero walang butas. But still table though.
Happy lang tayo. Kayo magbabasa kung saan
Good time to back.
Happy lang daw. Sabi ni Bulok Bata o Pintira sa Sindo. Totoo.
Hindi po, may kutos eh. Sinontre. Malakas na ko.
Yan o, pag-ihiwalay niya. Many blockers out there.
Correct. Using the 40.
Should be a simple one rail kick for RDR. Loop him into the bottom rail. Exactly what happened.
Some page lives dito
Sa YouTube yan.
Pero may pasok sa corner.
Alvin Cames Vlog.
Bottom corner.
He's angling for it.
Safety ulit. Pero mali.
Perfect. Bilis niya rin na-recover yung own
The
score.
Hammerman with much jump cues out. But this is challenging. Yung mga jump cue.
Lalo na kung malapit sa rin. Check na ito.
Shot
All.
All 5 tayo guys. All 5. Next game. All 5 tayo guys ha. All 5. Magol ka. Sa'yo shoot si JB.
First time I saw,
RDR.
yeah.
Ay,
Was
makagago guys.
very finesse type of player. Pero dito hindi pa lang nakukuha ng perfect time. A little too much, pero still very good pocket on the two.
Malakas. Kay Hammerman. Makikita pa naman sa braso ng dress.
Sometimes you see him. So you see the back.
Hindi niya naman iniwan. Madali yung tira kay RDR.
Oh,
Time.
oh, nice.
For that earlier. Kaso, hindi pa binigay sa kanya. Does he see enough of it though?
But not enough to put it in. There's no hole on the side.
So, short trail. Down table.
Maingat ka.
Dalawang banda
Aha.
makasali.
Maingat yung bata ka.
Direct hit.
Leave the 4 on.
This should be open tape if you're careful.
Foul one.
Here. Balik sa table.
6-5 guys, 6-5. Foul 1, JB. 6-5 tayo guys sa 6-5. Na foul sa 4 si JB.
RDR wants to pull one back. It's
Auto
closer.
leads. Ay, na-shoutout nga pala sa sobrang supporting natin tropa dyan na si Kian Tech.
Have to do a bit of a
Kian Tech from Saudi Arabia.
Even
Ayun,
if cut down
grabe.
status.
Solid yan. Solid subscribers yan. Shoutout sa mga guys. Pa-share pa ng live natin guys.
Pocketing. And it's good for RDR. Short stroke on that 9 ball. There's one rack back here. So it's 3-2 in favor of Hammerman. Ito po sa ating race to 7.
Long match ito. Tingnan. Kasama.
Patay tayo ko pag kasali yun. Dos.
Safety idea, but too strong. Well, the problem there is still a 3D. Even if you make the 1
Ayun, ano, daw, pagkabigit kayo mga
3 and 4, 3 and 4.
4.
Medyo madilim na yung 4 dito.
RDR has to stretch for this one, not a problem. Tough roll for RDR. Have to play defense here.
Sumablay.
They're making
Would have preferred that it stayed behind
behind
the
the
six.
six. Of course.
Yan na, wala na.
Oh, this is definitely makeable now for RDR.
Grabe, blessing yan. Paintaw. Tinutok na. Ayan, 7-5 guys lamang si Awit ng dalawa. 7-5 guys lamang si Awit ng dalawa.
Good break here for Hammer. But the counter
Matibay sa Awit. 4-6-18. Partida. Parang hindi magiging matibay.
First mistake, tapos nun, pwede magtuloy-tuloy.
Ano yun? Boss na naman. Lahat pa ng boss, ulitin natin, boss.
good enough. Have to jump here on the part of RDR. MQ.
Well, hit. Iwanan niya. How much? Yung jump. Yung shot talaga to. So much fit. Is dependent on the role yung mesa. Because you will lose control of something, diba? Because of how challenging.
I guess you're a real top professional who
Yeah.
can control. But even if you remember in the old days, that's not allowed. You're not allowed to jump over to make a good shot. But because of the 9-ball boom, eventually nangyari niya na pinayari.
Players really can find an opening for this 3-ball.
Akala mo magaling tira yan. Pero sa the end of it, a lot of speed to be able to hit that.
Uy!
Half
Sumablay sa 8. Ayan. 8-5. 8-5 guys. 8-5. Isang tira lang tapos agad ang
Wow, what a shot.
I don't feel it.
sumablay. Basta 8 sa'yo. 8-5 guys. 8-5 lamang si Awit.
Nobody is good.
Simpleng tira.
We have covered half the games.
Sumablay.
Nobody's been doing perfect.
Daming mintis talaga.
Kaya nobody's used to papasaya.
8-5 score. 5-8-5.
Really strong, but you can get it.
Lamang si Awit. 8-5.
Hindi na kailangan masyadong pagkalawin ko kung ano. That's why it's called the hammer. Ganun ang pasok.
Napakasimpleng 8.
Finish naman kayo. Para dyan lang yung cue ball. Tapos na 7. Ito daw kailangan mag-withdraw.
Yeah. Kasi kailangan patrasin. Patama sa banda. Good calculation. It's perfect. But it is imperfect. Still a problem with the 9 preparation. Good. using it in the same pocket. Just right.
Would have been just short of it. Would have been a problem daw. Pero ngayon,
Or a little more.
kasi masyado magiging tuwid so rack 6.
Survey 4-2.
Rack 6 for Hammerman. O pagpapatuloy na natin kuligawan. Anyway, this is our final episode of your Motivated Billiard League Season 3. Our founder, Rendon Gamador, thanking our sponsors for our third season at Q-Hub Billiard Sports Bar and Lounge, Negra HDR, now Bodega Sale, PBA Motors, your Homes Incorporated, MB Shoes and Apparel, JT's Filipino Cuisine, Emerzone Sports Lounge, CCE, Mulak and Saibada, Kenta Kugaku Food Truck, Best Cost Digital Marketing, Eastprint Clothing, Red Rock Collectibles, JP Sports TV.
8-5 score, 8-5, hindi 7-6. 8-5 na, 8-5. Sana pa yung score. 8-5 na, mga idol. 7-6 na sa akin.
Real first kick. Advance of English, na may Hammerman. Hindi ko ano yung mga didiskarte dito.
Yeah, pinasing.
4, 5, 6, 8, 10.
Accidentally pa ko na pasok siya sa bola. So ball in hand. Will Hammerman be looking at that 3-9? Or also reading, TV reading. Play it straight up.
Marunong sa bando eh. Hindi marunong sa bando.
Little too strong for the 5.
Ayaw mag-isip na matino.
Stop yung kanyang landingan in preparation for that orange.
Marunong ko sa bando yan eh. Marunong.
What he could do there, just distance. Wala yung kupon. Siyempre parang short 3 to 5. Oh, what a pocket. The shot mula dito kay RDR. But he has an equally tough 7 ball to work with here.
Counter pa yun. Counter po.
This one rattles out.
Todas. Scratch. Foul 1.
Good shot for Hammerman. Balik sa kanya. Right here with another long shot. He has shown his mastery of these types of shots.
Smoblay sa dos.
Beat. Nagpapakawad. Pockets natin.
JB naman ito na trash talk. 9-5 guys.
9-5, warning na.
Warning na ang Awit Gamer. 9-5 guys. Lamang ng apat si Awit. Race 11 lang yan guys. Race 11.
If they're missing, hindi naman na naiiwan.
JB Sukal, laglag ang laban. Ulog pa sa practice.
Available now for RDR.
Perfect. Kung pasok ang pato.
Might be his best opportunity to finally pocket the 7. Hindi makakakot siya, ay mahulog pa.
Panglumpo. Panglumpo. Dan.
But where is this cue ball going? RDR not inside the pocket. Two balls remaining in this rack.
Ay, ito, wabol ko ako.
Corner of that pocket.
Open na yung
And can he clean up? Get down.
Hindi niya
Right
nakita.
there.
Hindi niya nakita siguro na wabol. Hindi gigil. Hindi gigil yun.
Lakbay. Lakas yung ginagawa niya. Bay. Ay, dito. Dapat medyo may.
7.
Ang yung ano.
Ang kanyang kalamangan. 5 racks to go against RDR.
Masakit doon, naiiwanan ko sa bukas.
Ha?
Naiiwanan ko sa bukas. Lagi ang ano. Ang dali-dali na play.
Form pa kasi. Ayaw mag-practice sa maayos. Ang mga laban.
Si Hammerman, pero si RDR, ay parang makakabol sa yung mananalo sa kanilang
Ito yung lock
pagpapagbo.
niya. Kapanta pa ng malakas. Dapat yung lock na hindi na nila.
Motivated recently, season 1. Ito, seryoso na daw.
Hindi na pwede labanan ng pangit. Kasi kung tumalong ka. Dalawang beses nga siya, 5 tsaka 8. 5-8, tutok ka na dyan. Ano ba nangyari sa'yo?
6 down.
Wala.
Rest the whole of it. Nice one.
Ako local naman yun.
By Hammerman.
Huling.
Siko lang siguro kung saan bakit.
Well, you have to go down to the 4 first. Yan gusto niya eh. Pero kaso hindi tumakbo.
Dahil,
Uy, gagi, natawag.
lalo man po.
Ano siya?
Looking for the side pocket.
No, 4 is on fire.
Yeah, the side pocket.
Hindi na ba siya? Puro na guys, puro na. Puro na. Basta ko.
RDR.
To get back.
Puro na guys.
Ano naman
Puro na.
pwede
Puro na ang Awit Gamer.
the type of player who can get out?
10-5. Oh, that's guys.
Or counter for that matter. Mas madali yung
Ari na sa nagbigay pa ng partida. Tamas ko.
Ayot din.
Good control for RDR. It is right there, but you want some angle.
That's right.
Force that one out. Snap. He might have to go side pocket. And then over there.
Kung sino ni-out yan. Break yan,
Thinks
tingnan
it
mo.
just south and it would have been perfect.
Break yan. Sikat ang isang JB Sol.
Decisions. RDR.
Ito, wala akong ganito. Jeb! Ang beto din. Alim mo. May ano tinatawag na ano?
6-0 lang. Hardware.
Hardware.
Hindi mo tapos ang kumain daw.
You can leave it right there. Kasi tayo ko yung mga if you were ahead,
Ano rin eh, nagchat.
Ikaw na lang
Hindi, hindi naman DDB.
Shoot ang pato. Puro scratch yun. Galong beses.
Now he has another beating 6 racks to 2.
At saka breaking game. But like you said, kaya nga nakaka-string up victories dito. Kasi this is naalala niya eh. Naalala niya.
Tagal niya pinaghandaan yung ganti eh, no? Lumabas yung isang season na dito na
Blessing lang pumasok.
Sakto naman ah.
Ay, cash na rin naman yun.
And let's start with our earlier.
Nagagay na talaga. Kala ko didiretso yung 9.
Si Ricardo dito siya lang. Pagkakataon dito siya. You know, sabi mo kanina, you can swing up with this is a really great.
Yeah.
Kung alternate yan, mayroon ka.
Yeah, that's correct. Yeah. Wala lang sa Steve, pwede na sana yung kombinasyon dos 9. Have to play the long game here for RDR.
May hardware na tinatawag.
He has the disposition to play that kind of a game.
Kalma lang.
Nakapul na rin na.
Take it shot by shot. I think that you scored. Not important because of this. Once again, one back. Balik lang yung stroke. Piazza. Now we touch on the two.
Patay ka.
Bayad. Bayad tayo guys.
Ayun guys, tapos ang laban.
Sana ko nagbabayad.
11-5.
Gapan pa rin.
Tapos ang laban.
Gaban pa rin.
Tapos ang JB Sokso. Out gamer win. Congrats sa awit. Congrats sa JB.
Guys, sa kanya dito guys. Gapan pati. Si Guzman yan.
Dito boss kaya
Sabit. Yan. Ito sabit.
Pogi mo, boy sabit.
Ayan, sabit 150 guys. Gapan, may siya. Okay,